How to redeem footlocker gift card. Hello everybody, you may follow up this step in order to do so. So go ahead and type in footlocker in one of your browsers and hit search. And then once you do that, you should be finding some results. So head over to the result and tap on the link called footlocker.com. Just go ahead and tap on it. And once you tap on it, you will be finding this kind of interface. So from the given interface, you will be finding different products and everything. So what you can do is you can sign in or log in by tapping on the account option at the top. And here you will be finding sign in option. So all you gotta do is enter your email address and sign in. Once you are signed in, you will be finding products, all of the products. So what you're gonna do is simply go ahead and locate up the product that you would like to purchase. After that, when you are ready to enter up your payment information during checkout, you may select the option called gift card. And on the second step, you may enter the 16-digit code number, card number, and PIN. And email gift cards will provide you with a PIN. You need to enter up with that and click on apply. After that is done, you may go on with the process of checking out, and that should do it for you if you're trying to do it online. Otherwise, we have an option of redeeming it at our physical store as well. You may pick it up on any of the US store within the footlocker family of brands. And once you go ahead and go ahead and try it from there, you should be able to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.